what's up? What's going on? It's Amber Higgins coming at you live from Charleston, South Carolina. As you guys are hopping on, say hi, say hello. Let me know in the comments below where you're watching from. So I'm making dinner and I figured I would finish up dinner by showing you guys what I'm making. This recipe is so freaking delicious, by the way. If you like chicken, drop a yes in the comments below. If you like enchiladas, drop a yes, like a double yes in the comments below, because if you like both of those, you're gonna love these. This is white chicken enchiladas. I got this recipe from my website that I have created to help all of you guys on your health journey. So if you guys are on a health journey, hi, you came across the right girly, so I can help you. If at any point you need help with meal plans, recipes, groceries, workouts, anything to help you along your health journey, go ahead and drop help in the comments below and I can get you guys access to that. So say hi, hey Marissa, hey Abigail, hey Courtney, hey Leslie, hey Melody. As always, I do a weekly prize pack giveaways for shares. So make sure you guys tap the share button for your chance to win. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Hi Destiny. All right, so I need 4 ounces of softened cream cheese to go in this mixture of chicken. So I've got about 3 cups of shredded chicken that I just made and shredded on my own. I'm sure you could probably use a rotisserie chicken. That would work great too. I just so happen to have laid out chicken. Briley's literally breathing over here like she wants some so bad. Hi Amy, hey Destiny. Okay, this is not working how I thought it was going to, so we're just gonna plop it in there. All right, so we got 4 ounces of cream cheese. What else do we need? Hold on. Not my nose itching. Okay, hold on. Chicken, cream cheese, garlic powder, and half of the shredded cheese. Okay, so we need 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. We're gonna eyeball this, okay? Y'all tell me when in the comments below. Hi Julianne, hey Courtney, hey Elizabeth, hi Hannah. I think that's good. Hi Dee Dee. Hi Laura, say hi. If you guys are hopping on, say hello. All right, so we're just gonna mix this together. This never mixes good at all. Like ever. And I feel like I should use more cream cheese. Oh, I just definitely threw that way over there. I hate when people ask me to go live on TikTok. No. Don't you see that I'm busy? All right, we're gonna add all of this cream cheese because what the hell? This does not look like it's enough. By the way, if you guys want this recipe, drop a recipe in the comments below. This is one of my favorite dinner recipes ever. And also, since it's just me eating, I'm going to have a bunch left over for like lunch tomorrow and probably the next day. So yeah. Hi Trisha, hey Angela, hey Wanda, hey Jolene. Say hi, don't be a stranger. Y'all don't forget to let me know in the comments where you're watching from. I love to see where my lives go. Brenda, hi Brenda, how are you? Thanks for hopping on. All right. I'm just like eating cream cheese. Great, this is great. All right, so my oven is preheated to 350 degrees. And what I'm gonna do is once this is all nice and mushy, just kidding. Oh no, hold on. Sorry TikTok, my phone is gonna die. It's literally nothing new. Both of my phones are literally about to die. So yeah, there's that. Hi Hannah from Conway, South Carolina. Stop it. You're so close to me. Why do we not meet up? We should get some lunch or something. Hi Jolene from Tennessee. Hey from Georgia, Delinda. I love that. Okay. All right, so now what we're going to do is, oh, I forgot the cheese. Oh, Lord have mercy. Lord have mercy. What's up from Savannah, Georgia? Hey, you've been to Conway? Do you guys like Myrtle Beach? Hi, Holly. What's up from Mississippi, Gina? Hey. Okay, so now let's just, oh God, I'm like literally making the biggest mess ever. I should have used a bigger bowl, but that's okay. That's all right. You guys learn from my lessons. Y'all learn, I don't know what I'm trying to say. Hi, Taryn. What's up from Virginia? Hey. All right, so now we're gonna fill our little tortillas. I'm using the labanterira tortillas. These are the low carb ones. These have, so they're keto, they're 5 grams of net carbs per tortilla. So I don't know if you guys are keto or low carb or like what kind of lifestyle you guys follow. Y'all can let me know in the comments below. I try to follow a lower carb lifestyle. I'm also really heavy into the gym too. So I'm also working on building muscles. So I do have carbs. Like sometimes I'll do meal prep with what am I trying to say? the word I'm looking for? Rice. With rice, just to keep me full. So anyways, hi Victoria. So we're gonna wrap this up. And let me make sure I'm not missing anything. Oh snap, I almost forgot about my stuff over here. Hold on, where's my spoon? My spoon is, oh Lord have mercy, I need another spoon. All right, hold on. If you guys want the full recipe for this, y'all can drop a recipe in the comments below. So I made my sauce off camera because I just did. So I'll put the full recipe in the description above, or if you guys just want to drop a recipe, I can shoot you over my website with all of my recipes, meal plans, grocery list, workouts, stuff like that. So yeah, just go ahead and drop recipe or the word help, and I can get you guys access to that. So I'm just gonna fill up my tortillas. What are you guys having for dinner, by the way? What is that? That is sus. I don't know what that is, but that looks weird. I think it just might be a pepper, but just making sure. You're so pretty. Thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, so here's the thing. If you're on TikTok and you want the recipe, what you're going to have to do is go message me the word recipe over on Instagram, because TikTok has banned me from sending messages. So I can't message you guys on TikTok. So if you want that, you got to go find me on Instagram. The link is in my profile. And if you don't have Instagram, just go find me on Facebook. The link is also in my profile. Hi, Shakira. Say hi. You guys are hopping on. Say hello. I'll get you the recipe. Tap that. I got you, babe. Hi, Megan Dykman. Did I say that right? Oh my God. Listen, I have severe anxiety when I call your names out and I like accidentally butcher them. Oh my God. That's the worst. I just need you to do my bun. My bun is so crazy and so messy. But if you want me to, I can do a tutorial for you guys, for sure, for sure. Honestly, it's just dirty hair. The dirtiest hair makes the prettiest, cutest little buns. I swear. Hi, Jessica, over on TikTok. What's up, Holly? What's cooking? Looks yummy. This is white chicken enchiladas. These are freaking so good. They're like one of my favorite recipes to make. And they're super easy and super simple. So Emma says it's Amber Higgins. It is Amber Higgins. What's up, Emma? Thanks for coming to hang out with me today. I had fun. I hope to see you tomorrow, baby. Heina. Oh my God. I literally am the worst multitasker on the face of this earth. So, I don't know if you guys have ever considered doing what I do and cooking in your kitchen to make some extra money from your phone. But just so you know, you don't have to know what the hell you're doing. You just got to do it, okay? If you guys want to learn how to make money from your phone, you guys can always just drop a $sign in the comments below. I love to, that's like one of my favorite things to do, is to teach people how to do what I do, and teach people that they can absolutely make extra money on social media. So, anyways, you need ketone information. So if you want to learn more about ketones, so exogenous ketones, I'll be live tomorrow to pack trial packs. So where you can pick and choose different flavors and test out ketones at like a super like lower rate, whatever. Like a super, what's the word I'm looking for? Super low, I don't know what I'm trying to say. It doesn't matter. If you guys want to try ketones, I'll be live tomorrow to pack trials. Or if you want to tap the link that's in my profile, the very first link, it'll give you a quick little video that explains ketones exactly, way better than I can explain them. So watch that video, and then it'll give you the option to text me at the end. So, Jenny, these are white chicken enchiladas. These are literally so freaking good. Yeah, discounted is the word, Anna. Thank you for that over on TikTok. I don't know why I could spit out the word. Okay, so if you're on TikTok and you dropped a $sign in the comments below, I need you to message me on Instagram a $sign, because again, I can't send messages on TikTok. They banned me. It's so freaking rude, and I don't really know why. But yeah, we gotta talk on Instagram. So the link to my Instagram is in my profile. Yeah, affordable too. Discounted and affordable way to try ketones is through trial packs. And it's also just a great way to try them without going in and buying a whole bunch. You know what I mean? So, Jenny's coming for dinner. Jenny, come on over, sister. We got plenty. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 enchiladas. I'm only going to have one. So, hi, Vicky. Hey, Denitza. I hope I said your name right. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. I told y'all I get major anxiety when I say your names wrong. I'm just going to make this the fattest enchilada you've ever seen in your life. We like fat enchiladas. Do you guys like enchiladas? If you do, drop a yes in the comments below. If you don't have Instagram, you can go find me on Facebook. The link is in my bio, or just go make an Instagram, because if you want to learn how to make money, you're going to need an Instagram, okay? I'm putting the sauce that I made in the back. Oh my God, this is literally about to be the fattest enchilada you ever seen in your life. The sauce in the back is what I'm going to put on, and I'll put if you guys want the full recipe, y'all can drop recipe in the comments below. Or I'm like really shoving that in there. That's not great. Hold on, that one looks like really not cute over there. Okay. So this is my enchiladas. Okay, let's move this out the way. I'll put the full recipe for the sauce in the description, but again, if you guys want all, like the full recipe, whatever, like all my recipes, meal plans, grocery list, just drop help in the comments below. So this is the white chicken chili enchilada sauce. We're just gonna throw that on toppity top. Oh my God, this sauce is so good. It has green chilies in it. Oh my God. Ow, I literally just got that on my leg and it just burned me. Way to go, Amber. Okay, I just really splashed that on my leg. Riley, if you would do me a favor and lick that off my leg right here, right here. Hey, right here. Look, see my finger? Right here. Oh, Leo's got it. Okay, that's a little weird that he's licking. All right, Riley, help. Help. Okay, abort mission, abort. Thank you. Thank you for your help. D, I'm in the kitchen cooking. All right, what are you guys having for dinner, by the way? I'm curious, because I bet you wish it was white chicken enchiladas like me. Hi, Tiffany. I literally just came across your videos earlier. I love that, Amber. I love it. I hope that you like them. Okay, hold on. Let me do my fingerprint and see how long I need to cook these. All right, so these are going to, I need to put some cheese on top is what they said to do. Dee, thank you for the stars. Savannah Wright, hi baby, how are you? Holly Smith, thank you for sharing. Yeah, make sure you guys tap the share button for your chance to win my weekly giveaway. I don't know, you might win some ketones, we don't know. I also do like fun little like kitchen gadget giveaways too, so like, and the only way to win is to play, okay? It's like playing the lottery, but except you have a better chance of winning this lottery. This giveaway. Hi, Visma. I've been watching you and Kelsey on her lives, so just came across you on my For You page. Hey, I love that so much. Hi, welcome to my page. If you guys are not already following me, tap my face and click the 3 dots and click follow and see first. Amber Cole, thank you for sharing. Amber might win the giveaway. Who knows? Amber, these are white chicken enchiladas. So that cheese is very like not like clumpy and not cute. But we're gonna put this in the oven at 350 for 22 to 25 minutes. Wow. 22 to 25 minutes. All right, 22, start. All right, so 22 to 25 minutes, and then we're gonna switch it to the broiler for a few minutes to brown the cheese. And then we're gonna eat it. So if you guys watch my stories, I will show you the end result. But yeah, thanks for hanging out with me tonight. I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. Again, if you guys need help with your journey, your health journey, your fitness journey, you guys can always drop the word help in the comments below. I can get you guys access to my free website with some of my favorite recipes, meal plans, grocery lists, and my entire workout routine. So if you guys want that, drop help in the comments below and share the video. Tiffany, thank you for sharing. I appreciate that so much. Emma says we need to go live and cook together soon. I got to teach you how to make homemade pasta sauce. Oh, yes. Let's do that. I'm excited. Would you guys like for me and Emma to go live together? If you would, drop a 1 in the comments below. And if you're live, go ahead and drop live in the comments below too. If you're on the replay, drop a replay so I can say, hi, I missed you. But I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey, if you're on TikTok, you're going to